Okay, now we are going to demonstration how we do it for the treatment. First, we put our tornado in here because this tornado have the three things: electron, photon, and gravitphoton. But this you have all the energy, include the photon, gravitron, and electron. How can you put it in your body? So we just use an old camera for observation effect. Observation effect, we put a coil here. We call the Tesla's coil. So we just put in here to entangle the energy. Or if you can put in more, doesn't matter. You can use the old camera at home. Then put in the coil. Then that's it. Then can see how the people feel. So we just take a minute. So usually some people immediately 10 seconds can feel it. Some people will take a half minute. So mostly no more than people 1 minute can feel the energy. What do you feel now?
Very tingly. The feet are very tingly and it goes all the way up the legs.
So the people just sitting there, they don't need to do anything. They don't need to carry anything. But of course, you can carry our device, but doesn't matter. Some people like to put in the clip of the light or in our machine, but doesn't matter. What do you feel now?
I feel clear over here, my nostrils, and then I feel like a little bit of pressure in my ear.
Because that is the sinus on we call the B tone, the opening. That kind of opening is cleansing let your brain, they have a glial lymphatic opening.
Okay.
And also you have the brain lesion also.
Yeah.
But you can feel the lesion is gone on the outside, right?
Yeah, I'm not feeling it,
But they gone.
Yeah.
All right, sir, how do you feel at that? Yeah, 1 minute already.
I feel great. I feel the heat. I feel more open.
Open.
I feel more open and more open, far more open.
How do you feel at that?
Tingling from feet to head.
Yeah, because I feel nothing myself. Because like a massage, you do the people, you not feel it. So that is the way, simple, easy. So for so many diseases. So especially we are working on the people on the cancer. But of course, another disease or another illness, they can help also. All right, guys, thank you for your coordinate.